How to reset Google Chrome to default settings. If Google Chrome is experiencing glitches on your end, it might be the right time to reset its settings. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to do this. But before we begin, subscribe to Ninja One's YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding Google Chrome's default settings. Chrome's default settings represent its baseline configuration, so resetting it reverts customized settings back to their out-of-the-box state. Note that this will erase browser data, including bookmarks, saved passwords, and cookies. With this in mind, let's walk through how to reset Chrome to its default state. How to reset Google Chrome to its default state. First, launch Chrome on your computer. Click on the ellipsis icon in the top right corner, and then select Settings. Continue scrolling until you locate Reset and Clean Up. Within this section, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Finally, after a confirmation prompt appears, simply click on Reset Settings. What happens after resetting Google Chrome? After Chrome is reset, you'll notice several changes. Your homepage preferences will be restored to their original states, any installed browser preferences will be removed, and your browsing history, cache, and cookies will be cleared. From here, you'll need to manually reconfigure your settings and reinstall your preferred extensions. Troubleshooting post-reset issues. While resetting Chrome resolves many issues, you might encounter further challenges in the process. If you're experiencing slow performance on your browser, clear your cache, update Chrome, or disable unnecessary extensions. If you notice some compatibility issues while using a Chrome extension, try reinstalling it or updating it. A full Chrome reset can result in lost data. To prevent this from happening, explore your data recovery options. If you enabled browser sync before the reset, your bookmarks, history, and passwords may be recoverable by signing back into your Google account. Third-party data recovery tools might also be helpful. Ultimately, understanding how to reset Google Chrome is a necessity for maintaining an optimized and secure browsing experience. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to reset Google Chrome, linked in the description below.